Hey, what's going on, world? This is Maurice right here, and well, I don't even know like really what to say right now, but I do have a confession to make. Wow, NMC, National MotorClub of America. Wow, just wow. Thank you. Just like for me to you, thank you, y'all. I have to let y'all guys know about this story. So check it out. Ran out of gas yesterday, and I didn't even think that I was ever going to use these benefits, much less I didn't think that this company would provide these benefits, and they really made the process so easy. But yeah, so I was at a friend of mine's house and everything, and I ended up actually running out of gas. And once I ran out of gas and everything, I was kind of stranded there for a moment. I didn't know necessarily how I was going to get back on the road and back to my next destination, but I'm just shocked. Yeah, I'm just shocked. Just check out the video. I'm shocked.
So as y'all can see, the roadside assistance people is here. NMC is real. This shit is real. Gotta go get this fuel. But at the end of the day, the service is great. The benefits is true. Best believe. Swoop. Swoop. Oh yeah. So we got. What's going on, brother man?
Sorry. Oh.
Maurice, right? Yeah, fuel.
You know you owe a little change.
Yeah, how much?
Only $2.20.
Hey, that's perfect. I got a card.
Yeah. And be glad you got me, because to be honest, that's all the fuel they wanted me to bring you.
Yeah, I told them. I instructed them to, because they like
$2.20.
just because I only had enough on the card to pay for that.
Really?
You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you covered for all the gracious way. Because I was on my way to go pick up my what is it, like, you know, check and everything.
Make sure the guy has up running the card on the machine.
Oh, true.
It's me. Card number for you.
Like I said, y'all, National MotorClub of America service is absolutely great. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, when you guys have the peace of mind knowing that anytime that your car breaks down and you lose your gas, or, you know, you need to have savings and so forth, this company, National MotorClub of America, will send the people for you. So my vehicle is over here. This is like one of the gracious vehicles. But needs to say, I ran out of gas just because, you know, we in the everyday mix. We had to wait till the next payday, which is another reason why I love to promote this company, because still at the end of the day, this is the gracious supplemental income. But still, you do get the service of, you know, the roadside assistance as well as the teledoc service. And so when you do find yourself in a particular jam, such as how we are today, we can keep everything going just like how we need to keep it going, because this is gracious. It's a camera and whatnot. So the company that I actually called you guys and whatnot, I have a beneficial service, so I promote the company as well too. And you know, it's just more money, and you know, a gracious way, $50 per sign up. And so yeah, y'all. So as y'all see, brother man right here is about to fill up this gas tank.
It's not full.
You know what I'm saying? Enough to get me to where I need to go. Yes. So it looks like they call it Richmond Towing. If you guys ever need any towing, Richmond Towing is one of the services out here in Iowa that most definitely, you know, will come and support your needs. They got gracious customer service people, you know what I'm saying? And most importantly, people like Robert here is gracious because he's here to help you, you know what I'm saying? Like, most people out here, you know, people selfish and greedy by nature, but it's very rare where you actually meet individuals that, you know, just really care about their job and, you know, help people out. So thank you, Robert, for meeting you.
It's one person's job.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's gracious.
We got a Facebook page too, if you're interested.
Y'all do? What's the face? Is it just Richmond Towing?
Look up Richmond BP.
Richmond BP? Oh, yes, I'll do that and whatnot.
Or you can go by our old name, Kruger's Towing.
Kruger's Towing?
Think like Freddy Krueger.
Yeah.
But Kruger Towing.
Wow, most definitely, yes. And I'm going to make sure to tell everyone about it. So if you guys are in Iowa and whatnot and you guys do not have National Motor Club of America, understand that these guys will still help you out in all your gracious needs. But definitely you want the National Motor Club of America. That way you're not paying these guys for their miles and all that gracious jazz.
For as much as National Motor Club pays out, you could have told you the gas station.
I'm saying, yo. Oh yeah, National Motor Club, they have up to $100 for your cap spending for each month, so it's more than enough, you know. But yes, y'all, this is Maurice Wright here to tell y'all that National Motor Club of America does have the gracious benefits. The benefits are usable. Again, to get signed up. Yeah, I'm originally from Southside Des Moines. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So like here.
I thought you were really out of town.
Oh no. We born and raised here in Iowa.
Me? Born and raised just outside Cleveland, Ohio.
Oh wow! Like how'd you resonate all the way to Iowa?
Long story.
Hey, you know.
It's a so-called family.
Hey, you know it happens and everything, man. So as y'all see, y'all, he just gave me the gracious gas that I needed.
Do you know about cycling a fuel pump?
No, I do not. And we're about to have some gracious learning right now.
Well, every time you turn the key on, it cycles your fuel pump. It's like hitting the primer button on a lawnmower.
Oh, okay.
So what you do when you hop in, turn the key on till your lights come on, but don't start it.
Don't start it.
Do that about 3 times, on and off, on and off.
On and off, on and off. And you said that just goes ahead and what?
Just turn it on till all your lights come on, but don't crank it.
All right.
Like you were trying to listen to the radio, you know?
Yeah.
All the way off.
So all the way
You
off.
don't have to watch. Because if you ever noticed, every time you turn the key down position, you hear like a buzz or a hum from your
I was always wondering about that.
That's the cycling of your fuel pump. If you don't hear that, your fuel pump's got a problem.
Oh, wow.
Turn it on again.
So turning it on?
On and off, on and off.
So on and off.
On again, now crank it. All the way off.
All right. Off.
All the way on and crank it again. Give a little gas. You should be starting, but all the way off, all the way on.
That happens.
It's not even chugging. It's not even chugging or puttering. Try again. So look at your gas gauge. You're a quarter of a tank now. You should start with these.
So let's start. Let's try this again.
Almost. That was a chug.
Yes.
All the way off. All the way on again. One more time. You don't ever want to crank it more than like 3 seconds.
More than 3 seconds?
3 or 4 seconds.
Alright, so.
Don't pump it anymore, just crank. Put your foot halfway down.
Okay, halfway down? Bro, this guy is the fucking truth.
Well,
Robert.
Because you gotta work it a little bit sometimes.
And you see, I would have never guessed that, cause like that shit happened to me one time.
When it didn't start, you were sitting there cranking it. What you did is you emptied out your line.
Wow.
And that's why you gotta cycle it to start getting a little fuel through the line. You gotta prime the system.
So usually hit those 3 on and offs, then you
Just
know.
on and off, on and off. Crank it for a few seconds. If it's not starting, shut it off. Wait a second. Try it again. Off.
And that shit really put me at a quarter tank of gas. Robert, you fucking for real just said thank you so much, brother, man.
But as I said, best thanks is word of mouth advertisement and have fun with the Facebook page.
Hey, most definitely. Hey, I got you guys. Say no more and everything. I'm gonna make sure to leave y'all guys a good review.
I tell you, if you're ever looking for another vehicle, though, you should watch the impound auctions.
The impound auctions.
Police impounds.
Oh yeah.
Great route to go if you ever need something dirt cheap.
Most definitely.
I mean, 3 places to remember. Our auction is done by Rick's. Or not Rick's, Crow Towing.
Crow Towing.
Yeah, Crow has the Des Moines contract, but they also do our auction.
Okay.
Roy's in West Des Moines, they do the West Des Moines impounds and auctions. And Rick's up in Grimes, they do Urbandale.
True.
All you do is give them a call about the first week of the month and just ask them when their next auction is. Only thing you need to get inside these auctions to get in them is be 18 with the driver's license.
Okay.
Prices, high end, you might see $2,000 or more, but for it to go that higher, it has to be something extremely mint, new, cherry, or unique, you know?
Yeah, most definitely.
Go that high or higher. But low end, I've seen vehicles go less than $100 and driven home. Average price between most range between $300 and $1,000.
Yes.
There's absolutely no risk just showing up because they don't charge an admission fee.
Oh.
So you just show up. If you see something you like that you think might be worth trying to buy, you show your driver's license, sign a piece of paperwork, you bid when the auction starts.
Oh, this is perfect.
If you don't buy anything, no cost to you except the gas to get there.
Y'all heard it first from Rich, man. I'm telling you, linked up with National Motor Club. Like, this is a community. Thank you, Robert. I appreciate
Rich,
you.
Roy's, and Crow are the three main ones in Des Moines to call for the auction.
I will most definitely. Hey, you make sure you have a good rest of your day. Make sure you continue to be safe.
Only thing you got to remember, though, is if you transfer more than 6 vehicles into your name in less than a year, DOT will encourage the application of for a dealer's license.
Thank you for that.
That's also the loophole, too. 6 per person per year. So if you're looking towards buying and selling,
Oh, Ray, you the truth.
That's the loophole in that.
Robert, you the truth. Hey.
Like I said, this company is a community. They partnered up with the gracious company to help me get the gas that I needed. Understand, I had a just pay for the gas and whatnot, and I only wanted to pay like $2 on that. But the company covered not only the road expenses that you would normally incur from the type of service, returning service, or any sort of emergency type of service. They then at that point have the guys in place to give you product knowledge, i.e., knowledge about. I didn't know anything about fuel pumping and all that jazz. When you run out of gas, it's never really happened. But I'm telling y'all, if y'all guys want these benefits so that you guys can have the peace of mind, so that you guys don't have to worry, and so that you can keep going on with your endeavors in life, go ahead and click the link down up or below. It's going to be a one-time payment of $49. $20 will be your enrollment fee, and then $29 will give you the Security Shield benefit package that encompasses a lot. And I mean a lot more benefits and whatnot that you definitely want to take advantage of. And then just when you go ahead and sign up, make sure that you click the electronic bank draft option. That's the only way that we can really screen who really wants our benefits. Click the initial and ongoing payment option, and then just shoot me a message either through my email, which is nwclientwork@gmail.com, or go ahead and leave me like a text message by using WhatsApp. But again, this is Maurice writing and to you, National Motor Club of America. Thank you. NMC is the truth, and it is.